Some people say the lamb-black is the worst enemy of women, until she had another identity, mother. Every time you cook, there's a secret hidden between the meals. The lunchbox, which was being ready, carried the hope and the full love. As he slowly grows, being accompanied with him is the most romantic thing in the world. Be happy, get healthy, within grow stronger, and be brave. One day, he's going to face the world alone. He will start looking for a companion on the journey. Some lost, but the more is comforting. My little boy begins to grow into a mature man. He knows that I'm always his most loyal supporter. Come on, let's go. Perhaps there's less communication, but the tacit understanding and temperature of family affection never alienates. Although my words are minimal, I still want to say thank you, Mom. Sometimes love is fervent and difficult to express. Sometimes the empty lunchbox could be filled with happiness. Aohea, where health blooms love and happiness.